Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a customer here by the name of Mr. Capuano. We just finished performing his winterization service that he ordered on winterizemyyacht.com. So I really just have one question for you, Mr. Capuano. Why do you continue to call Kompletely Kustom Marine year after year, winter after winter, spring after spring for your service needs?
Because the guys are always here when I call them. The job always gets done. It always gets done right. Never have any problems, and they're always willing to stand by, answer questions, help out any way they can. So it's been good service for us since we started, probably 4 or 5 years ago now.
Yeah. So what's your experience with the professionalism and communication from Kompletely Kustom Marine and winterizemyyacht.com?
It's been great. The Winterize My Yacht is real easy to use. Go on there, fill out the forms, push a button, and next thing you know, we're scheduled. The guys show up when they say they're going to show up. They do what they say they're going to do, and no hidden costs, no other issues, so everything has been perfect for us.
So it's safe to say that you would most likely refer Kompletely Kustom Marine to any of your waterfront neighbors here. As we can see, there's plenty of boats on the river here.
Yeah, I will, and I have. I've mentioned Kompletely Kustom to all of my boating friends. Told them anytime they need anything, give the guys a call. They do their work. They do it right.
Well, great. You know, we really appreciate you as a customer, Mr. Capuano, and we look forward to servicing your boat in the future.
Well, I appreciate you guys too. Thanks for everything you do.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too.